Hey, this is Rick from Medusa in Leicester, and today I'm going to show you how to change the battery on a Range Rover Sport L494, Range Rover Vogue L405, or any other Land Rover that has this type of key. As you can see, I've gone ahead already and split the key blade away from the actual unit itself, but it's pretty easy, to be fair. This clicks into there. You have a small button on the side, as you can see. You push that bit down and then it releases the key blade. Once you have the key blade out, all you need to do is use that blade of the key and then prise just there. I'll turn that over, it's the other way around. Prise a little bit of the key into the hole and just pull that cover up. Once you pull that cover up, that exposes the battery. And that battery is a CR032. I don't know if the camera, yeah, you got it there, look, CR032. And I'm replacing it with the Duracell version. It's got Maxwell in there now. That came from Land Rover that way. This is a 2019 car. Don't ask me why the battery's gone flat on it so quick. So all you need to do is use a little flat screwdriver to take that battery out and replace it, and then put it back together the way the way that you split the key. And that is how to change the battery on a Range Rover Sport and Range Rover Vogue remote. Thanks for watching.